In today's video, we're diving into how to set up SuiteDash for team collaboration. If you've been looking for a platform to help streamline your team's communication and project management, SuiteDash could be a great option. But stick around because we'll also explore some alternatives that might suit your needs even better, especially for seamless team collaboration. So, how do you get SuiteDash up and running for your team? Let's walk through it. First, you'll need to sign up for SuiteDash and log into the platform. Once you're in, the next thing you'll want to do is create a team. Setting up your team is pretty straightforward. You'll simply click on Team in the dashboard, and from there, you can add your team members by entering their email addresses. SuiteDash allows you to assign roles, so you can determine who has access to what. It's key to set this up right away to avoid confusion later. Next, you'll want to set up your projects. Click on the Projects tab, and you can create as many projects as your team needs. For each project, you can assign specific tasks to individuals or groups, set due dates, and prioritize tasks. This is great for keeping everyone on track. You can even integrate files and notes directly within a project, so everything is in one place, making it easier for everyone to collaborate effectively. The third thing is setting up communication channels. SuiteDash offers a variety of ways for teams to stay connected, including direct messaging, emails, and even internal chat features. You can organize these communications by project or topic, making it super easy for your team to stay updated without getting lost in a flood of messages. The next thing you'll want to do is customize your dashboard. SuiteDash lets you adjust the layout to suit your team's specific workflow, making it a lot easier to get a quick overview of what's happening across your projects. Another feature you should definitely explore is SuiteDash's automated workflows. This is one of the highlights of the platform because it helps automate repetitive tasks and notifications. For example, if a task is overdue, SuiteDash can automatically send out reminders. It's a simple but effective way to reduce admin time and keep the team focused on what matters. Now, let's talk about some of the limitations of SuiteDash. While it offers a lot of great features, the learning curve can be steep, especially for those new to project management software. Plus, the user interface isn't as intuitive as some other platforms, which might slow down your initial setup and onboarding process. Additionally, SuiteDash can be overwhelming with all its features. While customization is a strength, it can also lead to a bloated experience. If your team only needs basic project management tools, SuiteDash might feel like overkill. So, what's the competition? If you're looking for something simpler with less of a learning curve, you might want to consider alternatives like Asana or Monday.com. These platforms offer great project management capabilities, and their user interfaces are often praised for being more intuitive. They also have some cool automation features, but they might not be as feature-rich as SuiteDash in terms of team collaboration. But here's the thing, if you're after a tool that's truly tailored to team collaboration, something that blends simplicity with powerful features, we've got you covered. Stick around until the end of the video, and I'll share an alternative that could work better for your team, along with some exclusive benefits. Finally, to wrap things up, SuiteDash is a great tool for team collaboration if you're looking for a one-stop solution that integrates tasks, communications, and automation. But depending on your team size and needs, you might find that alternatives like Asana or Monday.com provide a more user-friendly experience. Now, if you want to try SuiteDash for yourself, I've got a special offer for you. Through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive, extended free trial of SuiteDash. Plus, I'll share some amazing alternatives that come with their own free trials and might suit your goals even better. You won't want to miss out on this. Our viewers get benefits no one else can. Check the link in the description for the best free trial deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.